fuck all. You don't know fuck all, right? You don't know fuck all. Don't test me. Don't test me. Don't fucking test me. You fool, I'll spit in your face. Move from here. Move from here. Who do you think you are, girl? Who do you think you are? Go back to fucking Jamaica. Go back to your country. Go back to your country. I'll fucking box you up, yeah? You don't know who the fuck I am. You fucking pisshole. You think you're tough? I'll show you who's fucking tough. I'll fucking show you who's tough. You what the scale? Don't piss me off. Piss me off. Horrible children from horrible different man. That's what you know. It's people like me who's paying my taxes and national insurance who's paying for you to fucking feed your children. You ain't done no one day's job in this London here. Who the hell do you think you are? And then you're cussing me in your stinking language. That's all you know. Go back to school and learn your ABC. People like you're so illiterate you can't even read and write. Can you even spell your name? No. Yeah.